Hey guys, I am Fuji. Welcome to the Fuji's kitchen. This time I'll introduce some of my activities. Today I have a cooking show at an event. This bag is a venue for this time. Bad friend, she's volume 1. Besides me, tattoo artists and some DJs are also participating. Go down the stairs to the basement and you will see the entrance. Oh yeah, everyone's excited. This is my stage this time. I will do a soba making performance here. Fuji's kitchen. Then let's get started. First of all, mix buckwheat flour and water. The amount of water is very important, so work carefully. And communication is also super important. I'm also a DJ. When the flour and water are well mixed, put the dough together. I'm scared because the workbench isn't steady. Then stretch the dough. Handmade soba takes a long time to serve, so all the guests are hungry. I'm sorry, please wait a little longer. Next, fold and cut the dough. However, there was one problem here. It's dark and I can't see my hands well. I got a reservation. Thank you. Now that the noodles are complete, take a break. Finally, boil the noodles. Thank you everyone for waiting. It will be ready soon. Soak the noodles in ice water to cool. It's summer. I'll serve cold soba noodle. It's called zaru soba in Japanese. This is my special mentsuyu soup. It's soy sauce and dashi flavor. Chopped green onions. It's very good combination with soba noodle. Sprinkle the shredded seaweed. Serve with wasabi. Oh yeah, it's done. This time the soba is sold out. Thank you very much everyone. And special thanks my friend Nuko. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and thumbs up. See you next time.